to Healthy Teen Snack Hacks with Williamsburg Regional Library. I'm Rachel Nelson, the teen librarian, with a Valentine's Day inspired snack. Dark chocolate dipped strawberries are a whole fruit alternative to commercial candies, and they are covered in antioxidant rich dark chocolate. Enjoy with a sweetheart or by yourself.
Here. Chocolate-covered strawberries is one of my favorite treats. And strawberries are great because they are super high in vitamin C. And they also have the minerals manganese, folate, and potassium. Also, they have a lot of fiber in them, so that's good for digestion, and it's good for your gut bacteria. Your gut bacteria are those good, beneficial bacteria that live in your stomach and help you digest. But one of the best things about this dessert is that strawberries are not an overly sweet fruit. So when you dip them in chocolate, you're getting a pretty healthy dessert, aren't you? It's not too sweet at all.